Hi everyone, this is the 15th episode of the Digital Marketing 101 series and it's about 12 on-page SEO techniques. I'm presenting each of these techniques as individual videos and today this is about the 12th of the 12 techniques and it is about mobile SEO. What is this about and how to do powerful and effective mobile SEO? Today, optimizing for mobile search is critical. You should optimize your website for mobile search by making it mobile friendly with mobile SEO. Google deemed mobile searches as so important that they initiated the mobile first index in 2018. Today, Google favors mobile search. So it is important to make sure that your website is mobile friendly and you do it by doing mobile SEO. Do the Google Mobile Friendly test. It will give you a report to help you find out if your web pages are optimized for mobile searches. It will also provide you recommendations on how to improve and optimize your website for mobile. Google has stated that responsive design is their preferred option. So choose a responsive design that also provides mobile-friendly features. Responsive design will help to identify the screen size that your visitor is using and adjust the content on your pages according to that screen size. This makes your content easier to view on various mobile devices. Make sure your images are scaled when viewed on mobile. A responsive theme usually will be able to do that for you automatically. But don't just assume, right? Always check, always test. I used to use a theme where it scaled my images automatically. Then one day I noticed some images were not scaled correctly. Needless to say, I looked for a better theme. On mobile, the screen is smaller than the desktop. As such, you need to optimize your navigation. Make it easy to view and easily clickable. Keep it simple and clean so that your visitors find it easy to use. For example, limit the links to the main pages up to 8. If you need more, try the hamburger menu. Mobile phones today have touchscreens, and when buttons are too small or placed too closely to each other, it can make it difficult for a visitor to click on a button, on an option, right? So make sure your buttons are of optimal size and there's enough spacing between buttons to help visitors to choose and click on the right button of choice. Also, take note, do not make buttons too large also. This can lead to accidental clicking and can annoy your visitors. When you have a CTA, right, which is call to action, where you would like the visitor to take action, for example, join your mailing list or buy your product, okay, but make sure that the button is shown on the first screen, right? If the CTA is not shown on the first screen and the user has to scroll down, to find the button and click on it, it becomes a bit bothersome. Yeah, and you may find not many people clicking on it. So keep the button of the CTA in clear view within one screen. I find many people have a negative sentiment towards pop-ups, especially those that suddenly appear and block most of the mobile screen. I'm finding that this is not because pop-ups are bad or should be avoided. It is more about applying best designs for pop-ups. Right? For example, create them so that the users have a clear option to remove it from view. Also make sure the pop-up is designed with an offer that people might be interested in. And you can time the pop-up so that it does not intrude or interrupt immediately when a visitor arrives on your page. Give it a bit of time. Let your visitor read some of your content first, right? For example, maybe show the pop-up after a few seconds, right? So that the user can read your content a bit before you show the pop-up. Or better still, show the pop-up only when a visitor is about to leave your page. I discussed about optimizing page loading speed in a previous video. Basically, you need to optimize your pages for fast download times. When on mobile, people usually don't have the time to wait, to wait a long time for your page to load, right? So you need to do this. Go watch my previous video for more tips on how to optimize page loading speed. Click on the link above. Most voice searches are done on a mobile device, so you need to make sure that your web pages are optimized for voice searches. This includes using conversational keywords. Again, I spoke about this in a previous video. It's a video about keywords and keyword research. So click on the link above to watch that video. Do you have any questions about mobile SEO? Let me know in the comments below. In my next video, I will begin the next mini-series. It will be about off-page SEO and techniques to help you use it to get your web pages ranked high. So remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to get updated whenever I publish a new video. I wish you immense wealth and success.